going to spaz out, isn't it?
It already is. It's already totally spazzed out. Look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, just kicked that out. So I'm going to turn this off.
Okay, so here. You want me to hold this up for you? Okay. You're out there.
What's that? Well, I don't need that. I don't need that, really. Sorry. Okay, Cressa, you've got to wait. There's no way it'll be key, so it's okay right now.
I just want to know if you want us to wait on him.
No.
Okay. Lights up.
I think we just have to realign this.
Four.
Probably.
I can get pretty close to this manual on my own, just eyeballing it. And get it working. But we still have to let this thing come. We'll get the end of the round, but we'll be able to get it back up for the next round. I don't know how to do it. It was still blinking. It looked good.
Yeah, I don't either. Where's this? You know the snap? What?
It was right.
Oh, there it is.
I'm sorry, I kicked it off like a dummy.
I'm going to give that to you.
Okay, got it.
No time. Okay, this is Rebecca and Tim. They're working with 5 hits. They're going to be followed by Donna and Marilee. Owen and Dennis, be thinking about it.